welcome to Learning Phonics. I'm Apurva and let's get started with episode number 3. So, in the first episode, we have covered what is phonics and why is it important. We have also covered the 44 plus sounds in the first episode. In the second episode, we have seen all the short sounds. Now, moving on to the next episode, that is episode number 3. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you long vowel sounds. Okay, so now what are long vowel sounds? But before that, let's see what are vowels. So A, E, I, O and U, these are vowels. So when you teach your children, you must tell them that these vowels are the best friends of all the letters. Okay? If you tell them through stories, they are going to remember it for a very long time. So why are these the best friends of all the letters? Because they get along with everyone. Alright? Yes. So now, the question is, what are long vowel sounds? Now, what do you mean by long vowel sounds? As we have seen in the last episode, that every letter, every alphabet has a sound, and we have seen all the sounds. And in second episode, we have seen the short sounds. So now vowels, they also have sounds, 2 sounds. One is a short sound and the other one is a long sound, and we are going to decode it now. In today's episode, we are going to see what is the long sound of the vowel A. A sometimes says its name. Short sound is A and long sound is A, its name. Simple. Okay, so A is going to say its name, that is A as in data. D, A, T, A, data. So here A, this A, number 1, the first A is saying its name, that is the long sound, data. Next one we are going to see is crazy, crazy. So now Y is saying E, that we are going to cover in another video. So this is crazy, crazy. Number 3 we're going to see is A, K, or acorn. So here A is saying A, its name. The vowel A is saying its name. Number 4 is L, A, D, E, lady. So again, A here is saying the name, the long sound, that is A. Now last example we are going to see is table, table. Next we are going to see is A consonant E. Okay, so basically in the dash a consonant is going to be there. So whenever you see A consonant E in a word, you are going to say it A. You are going to call it as a long A sound. We are going to see the examples here. The first one is K, A consonant E, K, A, K. So you have to say A to this, and then you have to say the consonant here, K, A, K, cake. Number 2 we're gonna see is tr, A, D, A consonant E, tr, A, D, trade. Number 3 we're going to see is K, A, S, case. Alright, on number 4 we're going to see is T, A, tame. And last, number 5, we're going to see is a came. So whatever consonant is, it's going to come in the last. All right. Now next one we're going to see, that is a I, vowel team. Okay, so vowel team together, it's going to say a. So now when you introduce this to your children, you are supposed to tell them that both A and I were friends, but one day they started fighting. A said that I want to say my name. I said, no, I want to say my name. So they started fighting. Then I was a good friend. So I said, it's okay. Let's do one thing. You say your name and I will zip it, lock it, and keep the key in my pocket, and I won't say anything. Okay, so this is a good story. You can tell your children like this, and then they're going to remember it for a longer time. So A and I together are going to say a, long A, as in r, a, rain. Second example, tr, a, train. Third example we're going to see is d, a, l, e, daily. Number 4th we're going to see is a, aim. And number 5th example we're going to see is v, a, t, wait. Okay, so in this video we have covered long vowel sounds, and that we have covered the vowel A, and this is not the entire thing. Okay, we have just covered A consonant E, A, I. We still need to complete 5 more. That we're going to do in another session. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, see you.